ever wonder if the hype around a newer anime truly stacks up against the classics? It's easy to get caught up in the latest trends, but sometimes the foundations laid by older series are just stronger. Let's explore some shonen anime that arguably set the standard and see how they compare to the current darling of the genre, some shonen Chainsaw Man. Chainsaw Man has undoubtedly made a splash, captivating audiences with its unique premise and gritty action. It's a fantastic series that deserves recognition. However, even the sharpest chainsaw can't always cut through the legacy of Titans. And let's dive into 5 classic shonen anime that continue to inspire and entertain even today. First up, we have Bleach. Ichigo Kurosaki, a teenager who can see ghosts, finds his life forever changed when he meets Rukia Kuchiki, a soul reaper. When Rukia is injured, Ichigo gains her powers and becomes a soul reaper himself. Then this Bleach boasts incredibly creative power systems and detailed fight choreography. And it's also celebrated for its iconic character designs, making it visually distinct. Where I do think man absolutely settled to the word. And this is kind of like billing with next, let's talk about JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. This series truly lives up to its name, constantly reinventing itself across generations. And each part introduces new characters, settings, basically, and unique battle systems. From martial arts to the powerful stands, JoJo never gets stale. It's a chaotic, stylish ride that's far more likely to stick in your memory than many other series that, the creative fashion and storytelling alone make it unforgettable. And then there's the Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. But the story of Edward and Alphonse Elric, who search for a way to restore their bodies after a failed alchemy attempt, is a masterclass in storytelling. Their journey is filled with shared loss, trauma, and a deepening bond. It also explores complex themes of war, science, and morality, all while delivering thrilling action and a touch of humor. Now let's talk about a true giant, Dragon Ball Z. This series practically defined the battle shonen genre. It's the blueprint for so many series that followed, and its influence is still felt today. With iconic characters like Goku and Vegeta and battles that push the limits of power, Dragon Ball Z is a legend for a reason. It's a legacy that will likely endure for generations. Finally, we arrive at Naruto. Similar to Dragon Ball Z, Naruto has a staying power that's hard to match, and it's celebrated for its deep world building, compelling characters, and emotionally resonant storylines. Uh, Naruto's journey of growth and self-discovery is inspiring, and its villains often have surprising depth. It knows what it wants to be and delivers a consistently satisfying experience. Um, these classic shonen anime aren't just nostalgic favorites. Um, they represent a standard of storytelling and character development and emotional impact that continues to resonate with audiences. That they're a reminder that while new series can be exciting, the foundations laid by the classics are often the strongest. Speaking of strong, what do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time,